Have you ever wondered when you're filling your stern drive if there's an easier way to do it rather than 200 pumps of the little pump that you can buy with the kit? Well, I've discovered an easier way to do it. Take a look. All you need is a pop bottle and a compressor, something that you can put air into the pop bottle. You first of all fill the pop bottle with the stern drive oil, and then you put a hose in it with the kit that comes with the pump, and you fasten it to your stern drive, and you put a little bit of air pressure into the pop bottle. What I have done and what I've chosen to do is a ball fill-up attachment for my air compressor, and I poked a little hole in my pop bottle, and I use that to insert the air into the pop bottle. Take a look. The process is much quicker and easier than pumping the little bottle pump that comes in the kit. This is just a regular 2-liter pop bottle that I'm using. I put a hole in the top of it, the same size as the tube that came with the kit for pumping manually. I'm being careful not to put too much pressure into the bottle because I don't know how much pressure it can handle, and I don't want it to explode with all of my gear oil. My stern drive takes about 3¼ liters of gear oil, and that's including the monitor that's inside the hull. I'm keeping an eye on the upper port. Once I see gear oil coming out of the upper port, I'm finished. I think the oil is just starting to come through the upper port. There it is. And that's all there is to it. Just a simple pop bottle.